Ready to ditch the emotional roller coaster of trading and build a bot that trades while you sleep? In this video, we're diving into N8n to create your very own algorithmic trading agent, no coding degree required. First, you'll need an N8n account. If you don't have one, sign up, it's free to get started. Next, we'll connect to a financial API to pull in real-time market data. Popular options include Alpaca, xCloud, or Polygon. Choose one and grab your API keys now. In N8n, create a new workflow and use an HTTP request node to connect to your chosen API. Input your API key and the endpoint for the specific market data you want to track. With the market data flowing in, it's time to analyze it. Drag in a function node. This is where the magic happens here. We'll write JavaScript code to process the data, calculate indicators like moving averages or RSI, and determine buy or sell signals based on your trading strategy. Keep it simple to start. Time to set up the decision-making process. Drag in, and if this node will evaluate the signals generated by your function node. If the conditions for a buy or sell are met, the workflow will proceed down the corresponding branch. Finally, let's execute those trades. Add another HTTP request node. Configure it to send trade requests to your brokerage API based on the buy or sell signals. We'll need to format the request according to your broker's API documentation. Ensure you're using a paper trading account to test your setup thoroughly before risking real money. To automate the entire process, use a schedule trigger node at the beginning of your workflow. Configure it to run at your desired interval, and that's it. You've built a basic trading agent in N8n. Remember, trading involves risk. Start small, test extensively, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Happy automating.